We're here at a local warung which is favoured by a lot of expats and a lot of tourists. Why? Because it's cheap and the food is fantastic. Let's check it out. This is Warung Mbok Luh. The menu here is really extensive, a massive menu that goes through the full range of Indonesian foods. Some that you may not have tried, some a little bit less common in some of the places around Bali, but you can get them here. When we talk about cheap prices, we're talking about 25,000 for a small bintang, we're talking 10,000 for a mango juice. You can pay 30,000 easily at a lot of other places. Like if you go to a cafe, they might charge you 40 plus for a mango juice. Here they're doing 10,000 rupiah. Brilliant. They've even got escalapa, 7,000. That's so cheap. If you're really trying to save money, you can come down here and get a nasi goreng for 15,000. That even has meat in it. It's not even a vegetarian one. That's going to be hard to beat, even from a gerobak. So first of all, we've got the mango juice. I'm going to try that. 10,000, so cheap. That is so good. Just basically a freshly chopped up and blended mango with a tiny bit of sugar added, and it's so good. So first off, I got the ayam geprek sambal mata. Ayam geprek is usually smashed flat, and I really love it. Ayam geprek, it's fried. The sambal mata is the Balinese sambal on top, which is a raw sambal. And that's really nice. I'm not even sure if that sambal mata is that spiced really. It's salty, but got a bit of spice to it, but it's not too bad. And that ayam geprek, I think that's just like deboned chicken thigh. Got a bit of fat on it as well because it's the thigh. I love it. Love that. It is brilliant. So this is the sayur Hijo. If you want to be a little bit informal, you can say Hijo instead of Hijo. Basically green veg. That is unreal. So all I've done is got a bit of, looks like spinach and bok choy type stuff. Stir fried it. There is a little bit of a soupiness to it as well that you can spoon across. You've got a bit of stir fried egg in there and a bit of chicken, and it's just so tasty. I'd actually eat this just on its own if I could. The next dish we're trying today is koloke, 20,000. It's basically deep fried and battered veggies. There's apparently a bit of chicken in there as well somewhere. I haven't really found it yet. It's probably down the bottom. Oh, there it is. It's like a tempura batter, so it's very similar to tempura in fact. And they give you a little bit of a sweet and sour sauce to put on it as well. I'll give this one a go. I've got no idea what that is. Looks like maybe eggplant, I don't know. Because it's been freshly fried, that batter is so light and crispy and not oily. It's brilliant. A bit of fried chicken, really good. Like that is not the healthiest dish, but it certainly is tasty. And, oh, is that a carrot? Or maybe a sweet potato? I don't know. It's just such a nice, unhealthy dish to have. A bit of goreng, a bit of fried food. Love it. I'm not going to try this one. This is es buah. This is Juni's one, and it looks fantastic. Basically, it's a bit of coconut milk, ice cubes, and a chopped fruit. So it's like a fruit salad and a little bit of a soupy sauce there. That is a beautiful dish to have, and it's only 10,000. That is unreal. And then she also got the Tipat Chun. Tipat Chun is compressed rice cakes in a peanut sauce mixed with a bit of toge. I think we call that bean sprouts in English. There's also a bit of tofu in there as well. It's also mixed in with a bit of kangkung as well. So where are we located? Well, Warung Mbok Luh is located in the northern end of town near the Sindu night market. So it's on Jalan Pungutan. Jalan Pungutan runs from the night market and heads south. That means if you're staying in the northern end of town, you can walk here. If you're in the south, you're going to need to catch a cab. I really love this place. Basically here, what I really love is that the food's cooked fresh to order. Everything's so fresh. You've got your freshly fried chicken. We had the freshly stir-fried veg in that nice soup there. Juni had the es buah, which was a fresh fruit salad, and it's fantastic. And that mango juice was unreal. It's not just the freshness and the quality and the flavour of the food that I really love about this place, it's the price that you get it for. You can't really get this sort of value anywhere in Sanur. It's probably one of the cheapest warungs you can get, especially when you're talking about freshly cooked food. With that in mind, it's one of the best warungs in all of Sanur. for value for money. So if you're looking for good food at a good price and you're in the northern end of town, Mbok Luh is for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Sanur. I'll catch you next time.